how is this workshop different, or it is different from the School of the Heart and all the other workshops in the world that are heart-based workshops. Again, it is connected with the first question. It is a basic workshop that we do believe, after we study a couple of years, we all need it before we do any heart-based workshop, or if we've done it, it's good to do it because it's really going to help us understand the heart-based work.
It's the base that we can build on, that we can go deeper into emptying our heart and healing our heart. And it's the top because by emptying our heart, by healing our heart, by cleansing our heart, then we can connect back to God.
And if you are on a spiritual path, so you've done a couple of workshops, heart imagery, you've done journeys into the heart, how this is going to help you on your spiritual path. I would say this workshop, it is really compulsory for you. Even if you've done this workshop, it is compulsory for you to review, to understand better what you've done. And once you do this workshop, you will see a huge change in your level of consciousness, because you really have to work your heart. We call illnesses passion. And then after you do this heart really basic work, you can approach something that is much more complex. So we are waiting for you.
We're looking forward to seeing all of you.